Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to add line in header and footer in Word. To add line in header and footer in Word, you can do the following. First, double-click the header or footer to enter edit mode. Place the cursor where you want the line. Now go to Home tab, click the Borders drop-down menu, select Borders and Shading, choose your border style, color, and width. Click OK. Now select Bottom Border. A line will appear across the header or footer. This is the best way. Quickly add line in header and footer in Word. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.